What's up, everybody? Bubba Jr. here, just chilling out, enjoying a nice night out here on Arroyo City, hanging out with my bud Louie. What's up? Hell yeah. We're just hanging out, man. Just seeing what's out there. Got a few catfish so far. We'll see what happens next. And that's is the mascot of the Arroyo, man. Sexual Chocolate.
Yeah.
Nice little yard dog around here, yard pup. All right, guys, out here with the spotlight. Right here, my Fat Max Stanley, pretty damn bright. Let's see if we see anything. Let me zoom in. Classics, bro, classics. That's freaking 2000s, man. 99? That's 99 or what? Damn. All right, guys, I'm out here with the spotlight, seeing if there's any wildlife watching us on the other side. We're at fishing here in the Arroyo Colorado, Arroyo City. We're out here at my buddy's dock, and he's actual commercial fisherman. So he's taking care of business, man. Let's see. Let's get up top. Let's go to, there's a top deck. Let's take a look. Go viral, Bubba. I almost slammed my head on that. Fucking narrow walkway. So now we're up on the upper deck. That's the neighbors, but we're up here on this deck here. It's pretty dark. Everybody's got their setups. Everybody's shut down. Nobody's fishing. Pretty damn cool out here. What's up? Upper deck live, Bubba. Beautiful night. The moon. Pretty damn chill out here. Pretty damn dark too. Let's see the spotlight. Man, can't really see shit. It's kind of misty.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. Well, we're in the, feels like we're in feels like we're in a fishing town, brother. Feels like we're in a fishing town, man. What's up, chocolate?
No, sweetness.
Sweetness?
Chocolate.
Cool, man.
Sexual.
Yeah. Check that out. That's pretty neat. It's got all the hooks.
Oh,
All legit, man. All legit. So that's what they use for bait.
right there, Ray.
Little pieces of crab legs. Nothing but little pieces of crab legs. And these are all old, I think. I don't know how long this has been here. But, see, they're all hollowed out. They're just the shells. It's all just the shell of the crabs.
There we go.
Pretty cool. And then all the lines. Badass. Oh, you don't want to hit the brain. Okay? I'm going to put it right above it. So let's see. Right. Just like that. So you want to put it right on that little piece of bone. It stays. It'll stay alive. It'll be nice. And check this out. This came out of the bait store. Shrimp the size of my hand, man. Let's see.
Damn.
Look at that shrimp, dude.
You can put like three strips.
Let's see. Let me see if I can get a hold of it. Ah, dang it. If this guy hits you, see, compared to my hand, pretty damn big. This son of a bitch hits you, put you with some mercury in your hand. In the tail, they got mercury. I mean, iodine, excuse me. Iodine. Ooh, awesome. With enough hits of that to your hand, you'll get a sore hand in the morning, but you'll be all right. All right, let's see if we can get a fish for you guys. Just hooked them on my little bobber rig. Speckled trout, you're gonna see they have a very oily skin, man. If you see them in the sunlight, you'll see the red, the green, the purple, all kinds of colors of the rainbow. They are beautiful fish. They're known for their yellow mouths, and this one is way too small. I'm gonna go ahead and let them go. The size limit here in South Texas is 15. So we're gonna let this little guy go. Beautiful little specimen. Just wanted to show you guys what we're catching. So this is a speckled trout. Okay. All right. We'll catch you in a couple years. Get out of here. Gone, Bubba. Gone. Hit the stop. Bubba out.